Get him. Get him, Felix. Watch out. There you go. Watch out, airplane, baby. Here you go. What you marking, Felix?
Screws.
All right. See, we got our straps. Get him, Felix. It's not just a simple put in.
No screws going.
Grind it right. You gotta know what you're doing.
Because that's where the water can roll in. Deep holes on each corner for the water to come out.
All right, Sabrina, the boss lady, is closing on a deal today.
There's a leak into the house. When you do a slider,
So that's the little leak hole there.
right. Yep.
Ready to
This
get
little
paid.
weep hole.
Get 'em.
There's a little plastic thing right in there.
All right.
And the water goes right out. Got a little notch for
What are these sticks you got in here?
it. Shims. You gotta shim the windows so that it's nice and level and it closes properly.
Do you have to use what they call tap cons?
A lot stronger than regular screws. That's why they say you need it.
Nah, wasn't so weak. All right. As you can see, we got our straps. Get him, Felix. Happen. It's not just a simple put in either. You got to get it right. You got to know what you're doing. Ready to get paid. All right, you can see we got our straps here. Felix, what's the name of these braces? Hurricane straps or no? Hurricane straps here, and they're on the 2x6s. Felix is putting in a French door. All right, making it happen. It's not just a simple put in either. You got to get it right. You got to know what you're doing. Get him, Felix! All right, we got Alpha Electric on the job today, and Tony is dressing up the box. Label, look no further than the Radford Homes. Got Alpha Electric in here. Look, who put that plumbing right there? What is that? Oh, the outside faucet. Yeah. Tony finna put his other box in here. Just put a temporary on now, right?
Good one.
Just scratched up. All right, we're running wire today. Electrician is in the house. Alpha Electric, baby. We also got the plumbing going in. Check it out. We got the Plex plumbing coming down for the kitchen. We got the sink right there. We got it going up through the roof. We got the vent stack going through the roof. And all these brackets you see here, Felix put this there so we can put so the cabinets can notch to. You know, you can nail the cabinets to. Did they know Felix? So Felix, what you making up there, man? A closet? Look at this, going all the way to the ceiling. That's about 20 feet high, right, Felix? Or 18? 12, I meant. I'm talking about all the way up there where the air conditioner is. That's more than 12 feet, isn't it? 16? All right, we got the plumber in the house. We had to redo all the plumbing in this house. Had to cut the floors up and run it outside. Running their plumbing packs. And look here, we got 2 shower heads right here, folks. We got a shower head here. So, shower head here. We got a double shower head going in here.
I'm headed to the Ugly Sweater Christmas party with my Larissa family.
Main man, all right, Felix. So how can they reach you? Are you a realtor?
Yes,
but we got electric here today. That's one of your shower heads there. And then there's your other shower head over there. So you got his and hers. And Felix is gonna make a shower bench as well. Here's your double vanity. Progress, moving. These gentlemen is trying to get paid before Christmas, y'all. Laundry room. All right. Where your water gonna be going out for your washer and your dryer. All right, we got it all framed up. That's your vent stack going through the roof to vent out. All right, and here's a bathroom that we made from scratch. They're wiring it up. Kevin, what you wiring over here? Can you talk to the folks real quick?
Yeah, these are the switches going in this room here.
Okay.
That's can light wire. Okay, that's your shower light wire. Okay? That's shower light. And this guy does it right. Radford Homes, he does it right. He doesn't pinch. He doesn't turn corners.
Let me get a drop from Tony now. Let me get me a drop. I need to hear Radford Homes, baby. Yeah. All right, so Tony, y'all moving quick in here, man. Y'all get them. Watch out. There it goes. Watch out, airplane, baby. Here it goes. Well, that's you. That's why you're in here looking at this. And wall back steal from that other closet. You gotta understand what I'm telling you right now. That closet is big in there. We can take this thing. gonna leave that tub. I think that tub is solid. Yeah, I'm gonna get that resurfaced. I ain't gonna pull it though. Look like it is. So baby. Leave it alone. Alright. You can see we got our straps. Get him, Phoenix! You want to make it the way we can get it? It's not just a simple put in. I need a price from you. Grind it right. I know what you're doing.
Alright, Sabrina the boss lady is closing on a deal today. And thanks to Miss Tabitha for hooking us up. Alright, thank you.